Yes, good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to welcome you to probability and statistics, and this is the second series of this video. If you are joining us, you can watch the introduction of probability and statistics so that you know what is random, discrete random variable and what is a continuous random variable. That will be the fundamental that will help you dive into calculation and trying to find the probability of a function. So in our question, we are asked to refer to the probability given in the table below. And this is the table below. We are given this table and we are to find, this is our random variable x. X represents the random variable and that takes on the value 1 to 3 and 4. That's why we have x to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the probability of x is indicated as 0.45, 0.25, 0.15, and 0.15. So we have to find the probability of x when x is greater than 1, and to find the probability of x when x is also greater than 2. So what are you supposed to do? So let us find the solutions. The first one, the probability of x when it is greater than 1 will be equals to P, which is our probability of x is equals to 2, because we know that x is greater than 1, so it means that our probability is from 2 up to 4. So it is this probability plus probability of x equals to 3 plus the probability of x equal to 4. And that's all we're expected to do. And what is the probability of x equals to 2? It is 0.4. So this implies that our probability is 0.45 plus the probability of x equals to, this is the probability of x equals to 1, and we are to take probability of x equals to 2. X equals to 2 is 0.25 plus x equals to 3 is 0.15 plus 0.15. This will give you, you just plug into this value in your calculator and then you are good to go. So let us see what we have. 0.25 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, and that will give you 11 over 25, which is 11 over 20, which will be 0.55. So it is 0.55. The probability of x greater than 1 is equals to 0.55, and that's all we are expected to do. Now, the second part here is the probability of x greater than 2. Like we did in the first one, this will be the probability of x. Since it is greater than 2, it is x equals to 3 plus the probability of x equals to 4. So this will be, the probability of x equals to 3 is 0.15 plus 0.15, which is the probability of x equals to 4. And this implies that our probability is 0.15 plus 0.15. That is 3 over 10, which is 0.3. Therefore, the probability of x when this random variable is greater than 2 will be given by 0.3. And that is our answer. And that is all we are required to do when you are given a question that is in line with the probability function, and you are good to go. But basically, sometimes you are not given the table. You have to find the table yourself. You construct your table. You know what is your the x and the values, the probability of that function that is given, and then you are good to go and know how to find the probability when x is greater than some certain variable, or if x is less than. So just have to analyze the question, then take systematic approach, and you are good to go. And you don't need to struggle in doing math. It is just all about fun. Otherwise, see you in my next video in the part 3 of this series. God bless you, Augustine Galagash.